Haywood, Macon, Jackson, and Swain. High wind warning in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday above 3,500 feet. Wind advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday below 3,500 feet. What? For the high wind warning, south winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour expected. For the wind advisory, south winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Swain, Haywood, Graham, Macon, and Jackson counties. When? Until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.